Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. I, Vinita Yadav, welcome you all to the new session of verbal ability. So today we are going to discuss about analogies. Analogies, what do we mean by analogies? Analogy means correspondence, or you can say the similarity. So while solving analogy questions, what we need to do is we need to find out the similarity which is already existing in first pair. We need to find out that same similarity into the second pair. Analogies are of two types, verbal analogies and non-verbal analogies. Verbal analogies are further categorized into three parts. First is word analogies, second is number analogies, and third is alphabet or you can say letter analogies. Here in non-verbal analogies we don't use any word. Here we rather use directions, symbols, pictures, etc. So today we are going to study about the word analogies. To know about the word analogies, this is most required thing and most important thing to understand all the 15 kinds of the relationship of word analogies, which are going to be very helpful to solve these analogy questions. So here they are. Number one is things that go together. If I say like mom and dad, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, so these are the words which go together. So here I have kept an example for you is that bread is to butter, similarly salt is to pepper. So salt and pepper, sweet and sour, these are the words that go together. Second relationship is antonyms. Antonyms, these are very easy to understand. As the name suggests, we are just trying to find out the opposite word to the given word. So here we have kept the example like wide, opposite is narrow. Similarly, early, the opposite would be late. Third is synonyms. Synonyms, again, we are finding out the word which has the similar meaning. So here we have hide, which means conceal. Another is hint, which means definitely a clue. So the answer would be D. Next is object and its classification. Means every object has some class. So they belong to a class. If I say mango, apple, banana, grapes, they all belong to a class which is called fruit. So they all are fruit. So they have something in common. So if I talk about table, chair, dining table, sofa, bed, they are all furniture. So table is to furniture. Same way lunch. So lunch, breakfast, dinner, they are all meal. So the answer would be meal. Fifth is object and its group. So group, here I mean to say is collective noun. So if we have a good knowledge of collective noun, it is going to be very easy for us to guess the correct answer. For example, lion. If it is a single lion, we call it a lion. But if there is a group of lions, we call it pride. So group of wolf would be called a pack. Next is object and its relation. Here I have mentioned the relation between the young ones. So a puppy is the young one of a dog. Similarly, kitten is the young one of cat and caterpillar would be the young one of butterfly. So the answer would be D. Next is object and its characteristics. So objects, they also have few characteristics. So the same characteristic which one pair is having, another pair should have the same characteristic. Similarly, here grass. So it's the characteristic of grass that grass is green. Desert should have some characteristics out of these options and that should be dry. So that deserts are generally dry. Similarly, grass is generally green. Eighth is object and its location. So now here we need to know the location of objects. So we use certain objects and we place them in certain places. Like a pen should be kept in a pen stand. A tub should be kept in bathroom. And what should be kept in kitchen? The options are there and the correct option should be oven. Next is 10th. Sorry, it's 9th. Part and whole. Part and whole means that one object is made up of so many things. So here we are talking about a book. Book is made up of pages. Similarly, wall is made up of bricks. Next is 10th. This is object and its function. So object, whatever object we have, they do certain function. So their function is what? So they are categorized. If I say that yes, pen is to write, and another is shovel. Shovel is to dig. Next is performer and its action. Now who is performing and what is he or she performing? So we are talking about the action of a performer. Here a teacher teaches. Similarly, a surgeon does the surgery. So surgery is done by a surgeon. So the answer would be surgeon, D. Next is 12th, that is verb tenses. Verb tenses is very easy because if I know the past tense of verb, I would be very easily guess the correct answer. Here I have kept win, the past tense is won. Similarly, cast, the past tense would be same, cast. So the answer is A. For that I should have the knowledge of verb and its past tense. Next is cause and effect. So here we are talking about something happened because of what something happened. So yes, Shima is crying. So why is she crying? Because she is being bitten by somebody. So this is the cause and effect. Somebody slapped her and she started crying. So here again, smoke is due to the cause of. So cause of smoke is fire. Similarly, cause of water is rain. Next is 14th, that is problem and its solution. Quite simple, that if I have a problem, I need to find out its solution. So the best solution we need to find out from the options, given options. Here I have taken the example, if I am hungry, I will go to eat. And if I am thirsty, I will go to drink water. So similarly, repair. So repair, what do I need to repair? Which is broken. So here the option A is broken. So broken will be repaired. And the last one is degree. Degree of characteristic. So any object is having or holding a characteristic. If we increase or decrease the degree of that particular characteristic, something new we are going to get. So here, if I increase the degree of cold, it will become freezing. So it may freeze further. Similarly, if I increase the degree of wave, it will become tsunami. So the intensified degree of wave may turn to tsunami. So here we are talking about the degree. So now here we have understood all the 15 kinds of relationship of word analogies. Now this may further going to be helpful to us to find out the correct answer. So hope you enjoyed and stay happy, healthy and enjoy learning. Thank you so much.